Is comparing decimal numbers harder than comparing multi-digit whole numbers? Nope. In fact, it's basically the same process. You line up the number places, and then, starting with the biggest number place to the left, you look for digits that you can compare to tell you which number has the greatest value. But it will help if you really understand how decimal places work, so be sure to watch our lesson about decimal place value if you haven't already. Okay, let's start by comparing these two decimal numbers, 3.015 and 2.49. Which has the greatest value? First, we line up the number places. But instead of lining up the number place on the right-hand side like we did with whole numbers, we need to line up the decimal points. That's really important because the decimals you're comparing might have a different number of decimal digits like these do. And if you just line up the rightmost digits, the number places won't be aligned correctly. But when you align the decimal points, no matter how many digits are on either side of it, the number places are always lined up too. Next, just like with whole numbers, we compare the digits in the largest number place, which is always the furthest to the left. In this case, that's the ones place, which doesn't seem very large, but it's larger than either of the other decimal number places to the right. The first number has a 3 in the ones place, and the second number has a 2. Since 3 is greater than 2, the decimal 3.015 must be greater than the decimal 2.49.